Yes, homeopathy can treat diabetes, but there is only one most important thing is to do that as faith. First, believe on homeopathy. In homeopathy there is cure for all chronic diseases except deadly diseases like HIV, cancer and Ebola. Again, I am telling you, first keep faith on homeopathy, then see what will happen, and one thing, it will take time. So do not be impatient. Smiley face. Common remedies for diabetes. Here's some common remedies which may be prescribed to you by your homeopath. 1. Helonias dioica. Profound melancholy, irritable, better when kept busy, burning sensation on top of the head, headache, back pain, fatigue, boring pain in the lumbar region extending to the legs, urine, albuminous feet, feel numb when sitting, periods are often suppressed too. Syzygium jambulina, if administered at suitable intervals, blood sugar is maintained at normal level and urine is free of sugar. Indications. Prickly heat in upper part of the body, great thirst, weakness, diabetic ulceration, old skin ulceration, excessive urination. 3. Uranium nitricum. Copious urination, incontinence of urine, burning in urethra, burning in urine, excessive thirst, nausea, gastric ulcer, ill-tempered, depression, dull heavy pain in the head, backache, delayed periods, dry mucous membranes and skin. 4. Natrum muriaticum. Depressed, irritable, wants to be alone, to cry, gets passionate over trifle, blinding headache, muscles weak and stiff, pain in eyes when looking down, tinnitus, ringing in the ear, tachycardia, palpitations, heart and chest feel constricted, sleepy in forenoon, nervous jerking during sleep. 5. Conium. Numbness in feet and hands, neuropathy, complication of diabetes, weakness of body and mind, trembling. 6. Plumbum, lead. Numbness of hand and feet with neuralgic pains, pain better with rubbing and pressing, pain worse at night, greasy shiny face, tinnitus, ringing in the ears. 7. Phosphoric acid. Impaired memory, apathetic, indifferent, head heavy, confused, frequent urination at night, falling out of the hair, cannot maintain an erection. How soon can you see results? Homeopathy is not a quick fix therapy. It requires some time to have an effect on your condition. Although diabetes as such may take a long time to heal completely or to reverse, homeopathy is beneficial for complications of diabetes such as neuropathy, nephropathy, thrush and impotence. You may expect to see results in a couple of months, but again, each individual is different and may respond to treatment earlier or later. For timely results, it is best used as complementary to conventional medicine. Neuropathy can then progress to seriously infected ulcers which will take a long time to heal. I must stress that although homeopathic remedies can help here, they must be used in a complementary and not alternative way, because conventional medicines such as antibiotics may be vital to prevent gangrene from occurring, says Janet Gray, a homeopath with NHS, National Health Services, UK. Dr. Bashir Mahmood Elias, a homeopath from Bangladesh, however, suggests that cure for diabetes can be accomplished in 1 to 2 years of consistent homeopathy treatment. Side effects of homeopathic remedy for diabetes. Normally, homeopathic remedies won't cause any side effects, but every individual is different in constitution, so if you feel a particular remedy is causing side effects such as acidity, allergy, pain, sexual overexcitement, and other non-desirable effects, discontinue the remedy and contact your homeopath. Side effects can happen if you are given higher potencies. Lower potencies of the same remedy can be more effective for you. Medications are only a part of the cure, says Dr. Prasanta Banerjee, a leading homeopath from Kolkata. Eat a well-balanced diet, exercise regularly, take your medicine without fail, and keep a positive attitude in life to stay away from diabetes. You should have been more specific on type of the diabetes, type 1 or type 2. However, diabetes is not cured permanently by only following any type of medicine, treatment. You have to change your lifestyle. Start reading more and more about what caused diabetes and you should just reverse it. I cannot explain you everything here, but will give you a gist of it. If you are referring to type 2 diabetes, it must be because your pancreas is not producing enough insulin or your body cells are not able to make use of it, or both the reasons. In most cases it is both. Pancreas will not be able to produce enough insulin because of your lifestyle over last few years. By lifestyle I meant food habits, water consumption, exercise, etc. Insulin is required to regulate the sugar levels in the bloodstream. Now let's come to the part why your body does not make use of the insulin produced by the pancreas. Human body has an average of 125 trillions of cells. Each cell is a power generator. The food we eat is digested, converted into glucose, sugar, enters the blood, which is in turn carried to all over the body to be distributed to the cells of all parts of the body. Now every cell has insulin receptors which act like gatekeepers for each cell. Here's the catch. If insulin does not enter the cell, the glucose cannot get past these gates. So for your cell to be able to consume the glucose, it should first let the insulin enter through the insulin receptors. Now why does the cell does not allow the insulin enter in? A healthy human cell has potassium to sodium ratio of 8:1. As long as this ratio is maintained, insulin is easily absorbed by the cells. But due to our food habits with more sodium and less potassium, the ratio is almost reversed, forming a sodium coating around each cell. Thus the insulin receptors are closed in most cells, not allowing the insulin and in turn glucose. So glucose stays in the blood and your cells do not have the fuel, glucose, to burn. That makes you feel weak and exhausted. A lot more to say, but I will stop it here for today. Change your lifestyle by having a balanced diet, drink lot of water and always on empty stomach, exercise regularly and stay healthy.